Whether you're hoping to brighten up your complexion, get clearer skin, or even treat dark spots, tomatoes are a fantastic option. Tomatoes contain high amounts of compounds and vitamin C that helps to protect the skin against UV damage. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that heal acne-ridden skin and restore your skin glow. Today's video is about tomato facial at home with 3 easy steps for skin brightening, cleansing, scrubbing, face mask. For cleansing, take 1 tablespoon of tomato pulp, 1 tablespoon of yogurt in a bowl. Mix them well. Apply this cleanser to your face and massage it in a circular motion for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse your face with cold water. Now for scrubbing, take 1 tablespoon of tomato juice, 1 teaspoon of raw milk, 1 tablespoon of rice flour in a bowl. Mix them, and your scrub is ready. Take some of this scrub and apply it to your face and neck. Then, massage gently for 3 to 4 minutes. Once you're done, wash off your face with cold water. Let it air dry. To prepare a face mask, you need 2 tablespoons of tomato juice, 1 tablespoon of Fuller's Earth. Mix them well to get a paste. Apply it to your face and neck and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now rinse your face, and last, apply aloe vera gel as a moisturizer. You will notice instant clear, bright, and glowing skin. Do this instant brightening tomato facial before going to any party.